This plant, that name I have forgotten, so that I'll write in the title of the video. It's one of these not very aggressive climber. That leaves and all look a bit like Thunbergia. It's called Merremia or something like that. It's a native species of our country. And it only opens when there's sunlight. So now in this particular spot, even though it's almost sunset, the sun only comes at this time of the day here. Last part of the day only some little sunshine comes. So these flowers are still open. In other places they shut down by now. And probably don't open up quite till late in the morning. It has a very mild fragrance, that's all. This one is a deadly invasive weed that has invaded our country. And this beautiful climber is climbed onto it.